Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your PC and Xbox share the same Microsoft account and network. This allows the console to expose the streaming session. Once done, open the Xbox app on your laptop, then click the console's icon to discover your Xbox. Sign in if prompted and select Connect to Console. This initial handshake establishes device permissions and network paths, so do not skip updates. They fix streaming bugs and ensure compatibility with controller input and resolution options. Next, pair your controller so input is immediate and precise. Plug via USB for lowest latency, or use Bluetooth if you need wireless freedom. Then, in the Xbox app, start Remote Play. Pick a quality profile, prioritize performance for lower lag or higher quality for sharp visuals. Make sure audio routes to your laptop headset and that the controller vibration and mic settings match your preferences. These choices affect responsiveness and bandwidth, so adjust them based on your connection and the type of game you play. Finally, hit Stream to launch your Xbox session on the laptop. Enter full screen for an immersive view and enable controller overlays if needed. If you notice input lag, make sure both devices use Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, close background downloads, and lower the stream bitrate in the app. If problems persist, restart the Xbox app, power cycle the console, or sign out and back in to refresh credentials. These steps clear common networking and software hiccups, so you can get back to smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.